In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or unlink your Yahoo account from Gmail. If you've decided it's time to tidy up your email connections or just want to streamline your inbox, this is the right place for you. We're going to walk through a clear and easy process to help you manage your accounts efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. Once you're there, ensure you are looking at your inbox. This will be your starting point for the process. You may need to log in with your username and password if you're not already signed in. It's always good to keep that information handy. Once you're logged in, let's head over to the settings. In the top right corner of your Gmail interface, you'll find a gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu. Click on that, and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, you want to select the option that says, See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with all the adjustable features and settings you have in Gmail. When you reach this settings area, you'll notice several tabs lined up across the top. We're interested in the one labeled Accounts and Import. Go ahead and click on that. This section allows you to manage how Gmail interacts with other email addresses and accounts, including importing and forwarding options. Scroll through this section carefully until you come across the heading, Check Mail from Other Accounts. Underneath this heading, you'll see a list of email accounts that you've set up to import mail from. Look for your Yahoo account in this list. If you've had it connected to Gmail, it should appear here. Once you've found it, move your mouse over and you should see a Delete link next to the Yahoo address. Click on the Delete link next to the Yahoo account. This action instructs Gmail to unlink and stop fetching emails from your Yahoo account. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your Yahoo account entirely, it just removes the connection from Gmail. A small dialog box may pop up confirming you want to proceed with this step. Go ahead and confirm your choice to finalize the removal. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, Gmail will no longer fetch or import messages from your Yahoo account. If you ever decide you want to link them again or connect a different email account, you can follow a similar process within this Accounts and Import section. Thanks for joining me today in tidying up your inbox. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.